fall for a fit of uncontrolled emotion.
Too many people. They're everywhere. And I don't matter to them, Horatio. They crowd me. Why, they don't appreciate the freshness of the air after a spring rain. They can't feel the warmth of the sun in a pristine sky from the concrete monoliths they've erected. I give them silkworms, they make rayon. I give them crystal springs of the purest water, and they make Mountain Dew. I give them salt and grain and rock cornichons, and they make chicken fucking McNuggets. And you want me to worry about eliminating a few of them when there are billions of medicated, caffeinated, constipated mortals?
Ultimately, my Fern, they are why we exist.
No, I will be fine. Better without them. When my world will be greener and bluer and more lush and fertile. My flora and fauna will thrive. You, Horatio. Oh, how you need them to give your existence meaning.